Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AQR Capital Management detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into AQR Capital Management, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official AQR Capital Management website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button. This button is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login screen. On the login page, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your assigned username in the first field. Next, carefully input your password in the designated field. Ensure that both your username and password are typed accurately. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on that link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the prompts provided to reset your password if necessary. Once your credentials are entered correctly, click the Submit or Login button. Wait for a moment as the system processes your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case you encounter any errors, double-check your entered information. Ensure there are no typos or unnecessary spaces in either field. If you continue to have issues, consider contacting AQR's support team for assistance. After successfully logging in, you can navigate through the site as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.